Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing around with the Moira Daydreams palette. Now, I got this palette out of July's Ice Cream Beauty Box. I'm also going to be using the eyeliners today because I didn't get to try out the eyeliners. I really want to use this hot pink one, or I'm sorry, electric pink one that we got in July's Ice Cream box as well. But I wanted to create a fun look using the hot pink eyeliner. I haven't got to use these yet, so I don't know what to expect from them, but fingers crossed that they look good. So I think what I'm going to do, because I have the rest of my makeup already done, I think I'm going to start out with the eyeliner and kind of build a look around the eyeliner, if that makes sense. So I'm going to use the electric pink eyeliner, and hopefully it shows up. Ooh, okay. Getting kind of patchy up there. It's kind of weird because I closed my eye when I put the eyeliner on, so it's like really coming off in my eyelashes, which is weird. I think I'm going to sharpen this because it's pretty short. It's super hot pink and showing up in my waterline, so that's really nice. It's really just gliding on. It's not tugging or pulling at my eye, so that's nice as well. It is a super soft formula though, a lot softer than I thought it was going to be. It's definitely a bright pink in the waterline though, so I do like that. That's a good thing because at least it's showing up. So let's see, what should I start out with? So I'm going to start out with Cloud 9. I'm going to use this in my transition area. Just build this pink color up. So far this palette's been really amazing. The mattes blend out like a dream. The pigment is also really nice in this palette. So now I'm going to use the shade Take Me Away on the outer crease, just to deepen that up. And I'm going to bring it all the way around and keep it just in my crease. Then I'm going to go back with that first brush, not adding anything to it, and just buffing out my crease. So now I want to add a shimmer, and I think I want to add, I think I'm going to go in with Thoughts. I absolutely love the shimmers in this palette. They go on like butter. I don't have to spray my brush or anything. They're amazing. Ooh, I mean, I absolutely love this palette. It is so pretty. So of course for my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Take Me Away and put underneath of my lash line. So this Take Me Away shade takes a little bit to build up, but it does build up for you, so that's not that big of a deal. Now I'm going to go into Miles Away and use that for my inner corner and my brow bone because I love this color for a highlight. I think it's so pretty. Now I'm going to go back in with the first brush and just blend it out. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use my heated eyelash curler. I love this eyelash curler. It works so good. I'm also going to be using a mascara that I got out of an ice cream box, and this is from Dulce, I think is how you say that, but I'm not sure. I'm probably botching it. But I'm going to have it linked below for you because this mascara is the best mascara I've used in a long time. It really gets in there. It coats your lashes. The brush is a bit different. It's kind of flat on one side. But I love this mascara. I really cannot get enough. It's been my favorite since I've got it. I've used it non-stop. I definitely will repurchase this because it's that good. Okay, you guys, so I got my mascara done and this is the completed look. Let me know what you think down in the comments. So I absolutely love this Moira palette out of July's Ice Cream box. Ice Cream did such a good job picking out this palette. It really is very nice quality. So far I've done a couple looks out of it and I have loved using it. Every single time I've used it, I've not had any issues using the palette. So this is the first time that I'm trying the eyeliner out of the July ice cream box, and I really like it so far. It's very pigmented, it glide on, it didn't tug. I did have to sharpen it because the point wasn't long enough, but that's not a big deal to me, that's fine. So far it's doing good. But yeah, I really enjoyed using the eyeshadow palette and the eyeliner out of July's ice cream box. If you get the box, let me know what you thought of it. I absolutely enjoyed it. I'm actually using the bronzer palette and the highlighter that I got out of this month's box as well. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!